Assalamualaikum and hello juniors. Now I want to share it to you on how to do this assignment. Okay, now first you can read this instruction, but I want to tell you that you have to find this reference evapotranspiration, which is ETO, reference evapotranspiration from 3 locations in Brunei. Okay, so once if you go to this website, make sure you can extract from this website these parameters or variables. Okay, I call it parameters. These parameters will help in calculating or evaluating this ETO. Let me show you the Excel sheet that I shared to you. This one. The one that is I've do it all along like maximum temperature, and then all along until then I can calculate this one. So that's why in order to calculate ETO, it is very important for you to work out first the parameters that eventually make up the ETO formula, all right, before you actually can calculate the ETO. So it's very troublesome and very tedious work, so but you have to be patient. Okay, so what I can say, when I shared this Excel sheet to you, you have to duplicate first this document, duplicate. Okay, for me I just save it as um, wait is it I didn't save for copy. Wait. Sorry, maybe you can do like Excel 01 your registration number. Okay, try it. Okay, once you can save it for you, what can I say is leave it as it is first. We'll jump to this website. Okay, okay, this one X, and then make this one be bigger so you can adjust this one. This website is actually for you to extract the data regarding this one: maximum temperature, minimum temperature, mean relative humidity, wind speed, and rainfall from Brunei at 3 locations. Okay, so after one submission of this form, it is for 1 location only, so you have to work out another 2. So what I've shown you here is actually for 1 location of Brunei. Okay, this one leave it as it is, renewable energy. This one monthly and annual, because I follow this one, monthly and annual. It needs monthly and annual just for question A, B, C, and D. There is different thing you need to do is daily. Okay, so what I've shared to you now is for question 1A, B, C. All right. there is one parameter in my Excel sheet there for you to work out regarding latitude. Okay, latitude in degree, it must be converted to radian. All right. So yeah. So here latitude is in degree. You have to, okay, later. Now I want to show you how to pinpoint where you want to take the data. Okay, wait. For you to firstly locate where is Brunei, just use this search engine, so making life better. Okay, Brunei. All right, Brunei. And then right, you can move around here, but let me just point where Kampung Tukaide. Kampung Tungkade. All right, Tungkade. Oh, the pinpointer, you need to make it alive here. All right. So now you can be copied and be pasted on the Excel sheet. So I have to remember this 4.9033. So in my Excel sheet, 4.9033 is in my latitude. 4 point, yeah. I always edit here because this is for, yeah, you can edit here. Okay, 4.9033, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, 4.9033, and click yes. Okay, but this one you have to remove. Okay, so this one in degree, what you can do is this one from my previous work. You just adjust there, because this is, if you can see, this one is G8. G8 is this value, so you can just because my value here now is being changed, so automatically here using this formula there, this one, the value here is also changed because my value here previously in this column G8 is changed. Okay, and I have to warn you. Okay, make sure you either X is like you cancel from editing, tick right, tick when you have finished editing here. So I have finished it editing here, or I have no change, it's okay. I can push the any of this button, tick or wrong button. So it is already adjusted because my value here is changed. Now what I want you to see from this one, from this website, not just you adjust the monthly and annual, you have to adjust from which year do Dr. Roshan actually wanted. Okay, I believe it is from 1992 until 2022, so it is like this. So this one CSV, because you want to extract the data here or on a piece of Excel sheet. Okay, and what Dr. Roshan wants actually, not solar, not panels, no. He wants temperature, right? Temperature minimum and maximum. So untick all except the minimum and maximum. This one minimum, maximum, okay. So the rest is not needed. So yeah, humidity, yes, because you need the rainfall in average. Okay, and as well as relative humidity. Yeah. As you can see, this one is 2 meters, right? So our elevation, because of this 2 meters, our elevation will be 2 meters. So you can adjust this in the Excel sheet. Where's the elevation? Elevation is this one. This one, not 4.4, but 2 meters, okay? Once you have edited, click right, okay? Now go back to the website. After you have done that, wind pressure, yes, you need wind speed, right? Rotation require you to get the wind speed. So as you can see, there's maximum, minimum. There's also wind direction. Choose the wind speed with no maximum, minimum, and range, okay? And the closest elevation to the 2 meters. The closest is 10 meters rather than 50 meters, okay? So wind speed at 10 meters is here. So uncheck the rest, okay? Okay, then submit. Once you submit this one, take it out. Okay, take it out there. Here's the data you extract. All right, now I want to show to you on how to read this data. Okay, how to extract the data from here. You need to read this key. Okay, RHM2, RH, this one. Let me use a different color, maybe green, 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 and green. As you can see, this one RH2M means relative humidity. Okay, WS10M means wind speed, and so on. The one that you needed. Okay, so now you imagine that Dr. Roshan asks you to compute the data here, compute the data onto here in order to find the ETO, the reference evapotranspiration ETO from the year 1982 to sorry, from 1982 to 2022. That will be tedious work, okay? It will be very long, and it is like impossible, uh, yeah, for us to do. So just pick 1 year out of that 40 years, okay? Just pick 1 year. Believe me, he can accept that because he's my previous lecturer, right? So just pick maybe any year. Maybe I can choose 2004. Maybe that's your birthday year, okay? All right. I decided to choose 2004. So look for 2004. Look for 2004. Any 2004, just highlight. Just highlight, okay? I like to highlight in yellow. All right. Any 2004. Just highlight, okay? Highlight because you want to extract this data only. All right. Okay, all have been highlighted. Now you can just save this data. All right. Now you have to extract this data and then enter it into this data. Okay. I recommend you not to erase all of these data. Just leave it. Just leave it. Just one, because. But for this is okay. I mean, like for something like with the formula, I suggest not to erase it first because you might need to use the formula again, but just a list adjustment. Okay, like this one, I actually, what you need to modify is actually all except the value for the constants. However, some of the parameters here, they use formula, which is very tedious work here, as you can see. In order to find in order to evaluate the answer for here, you need to use the formula, which is very tedious work. If you this one, I've typed it manually. You can, if you typed it manually, I'm sure you will be fainted. Okay, many of my colleagues before, they were very stressed, to follow this data. Okay, it is very stressful, but you need to be patient. As okay, so I think you can erase all, but just leave one in order for you to follow the formula. All right. So here because this one, no formula, to state the minimum temperature, maximum temperature, no formula, so I just erase them. The one with formula, don't erase. Okay, just leave one value at least for you to follow the formula. All right. This one, you can, let me undo. Okay, this one, because there is formula, so you can just leave one with the formula, right? The rest you can just delete. Like that. This one. Okay, let me show you after delete the I've deleted the one with no formula. The one with the formula, like this, I don't delete it straight away. I need to just make it some arrangement. This one I have adjusted, right, because I entered the latitude first, and then this one automatically changed because of the value of the latitude in degree is changed. All right. This one you have to adjust. Although I said constants, the value are just constant, but if you can see here, the value is this one, the z. Z is elevation. Our elevation just now is 2 meter. So here the z, you have to adjust into 2. Okay, this one, the z1, 0.0065 times z. This one, 0.0065 times z. Z is actually 2 now, so just change it into 2, and then click oh okay, click OK. All right. Oh, my leg gang, sorry, my laptop. All right. Okay, the rest you can just make it blank, and then but for with the formula here, just follow the formula and a little bit adjustment. I put the parameters here previously because this parameter will be later be used in the subsequent one. This one, the subsequent. The constant, no need to adjust further. I just said what have been adjusted already there, finished. What you have to mention, what you have to adjust is here. Okay, adjust because like this one net radiation. In order for you to evaluate this net radiation, you have to first evaluate this one and then evaluate this one. So that is why I put it here. Step 1, step 2, up until step 10. Yeah, you need to be patient. doing assignment for doctoration is very, very, everyone have tested that for our agrotechnology batches. Yes, we have to be patient. We learned because we want to succeed, right? Because of Allah, inshallah. And you just follow the formula, okay? Like this one, this formula, you can zoom if you cannot see. There's T min, right? T min here. The T min temperature here. Here after you adjust, okay? So what I've said, the parameters here you need to work out first because these parameters will later be used in this one. This parameter, this one, the G, just treat it as zero saja, okay? Because we neglect this value G because it is like not important, all right? So if you encounter G, like in this case, in evapotranspiration formula, the G, you just don't need to put anything, no value, like Rn minus 0 or just Rn, all right? Okay, I hope you can follow up this one. Good luck. If any problem, just text me if you have encountered something. And this one, because I've said that you need to choose 1 year only, right? Like in this case, I choose 2004. So you have to adjust this one. Just the okay, adjust this date. Like this one, because it's monthly. So from January to December, you have to add in like this one. First, you add in the month. Month is January, so 1 in 2004. It needs to be written like this, okay? Like this. For this one, February is 2/1/2004, and the rest, okay? The rest like that. Up until December, okay? Like this. December is 12/1/2004, like that. So okay. So what you need to do in conclusion is extract the data from here, the output data from the website. Extract the data, the relative humidity, all the wind speed, or just put it here, okay? And then work out anything with the formula. Be careful, make sure the unit is the same. If unit is not the same, like this one you have adjusted, right? The degree turn into radian using this formula. All right, so good luck. Anything problems, just text me, okay? Just text me.